if I can sell this as new, I'll make close to $100 in profit. If I can sell this as new. So we're gonna check it out.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows. East side, we ride, we fly way up, no breaks. No breaks. No breaks.
Wouldn't it be cool if you could double your money all the time, right? If you had a machine that could turn your money like $1 into $2, $2 into $4, $4 into $8, $8 into 16, 16 into 32, and so on, right? 100 into 200, 500 into 1,000. Well, there is a machine like that, and it's called retail arbitrage. All right, this is why no matter what I get into, no matter how many businesses I have, no matter how many sources of income I have, I'm always gonna keep retail arbitrage in the arcades, and you should too. Now, that doesn't make me just a one-lane person. It's not all about retail arbitrage with me. No, it's not 100% just retail arbitrage, but it will always be there for that reason. So today, I'm gonna go hit a bargain store, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I don't care how much I spend. I don't care how little I spend. All I want to do is double my money. So whatever I spend, I want it to be a double, 100% ROI. Okay, so if I spend $5, I want to make 10, at least. It can be more, but at least. All right, if I spend $30, I want to make 60, at least. And the best place to do this, in my opinion, is the Goodwill. It's one of my favorites. But you got the Salvation Army, you got Overstock outlets, you got thrift shops, you got pawn shops. I've been to them all, and I made tons of money at them all. So not the mall, them all. But yeah, without further ado, family, let's hop into my car. A little drizzly. People complain about this type of weather, but I prefer this all day over like 90 to 100 degree weather. This is like my favorite weather right here. Maybe it's just me, I don't know. What you guys think? I love this weather. Yeah, so like if you want to make, you know, life-changing money with retail arbitrage, then you have to make it a thing to do this every day, you know, or at least make it a thing to use it as a job replacement. Even if you have a job. What do I mean? I mean like the days you're not working your job, maybe on the weekends or whatever days you have off, you wake up really early and you go do retail arbitrage all day. In doing that, you can expect, you know, a different type of money. You know, if you do it like a hobby, then expect hobby money. If you do it like a business or a job, then expect job money, you know, or even more than job money, if that makes sense, because you can make a lot more doing retail arbitrage if you make a lot more effort to get out and do it. It takes a lot of scanning though, a lot of scanning. One of the coolest things about doing retail arbitrage on a weekday, like a Monday, Tuesday in the morning, Wednesday, Thursday, even Friday in the morning, is that usually people have regular jobs and there's nobody here. Ooh, you get to just roam and just relax. So yeah, we're gonna go in here and see if we can find some stuff really quick. And when I say really quick, I do mean really quick, because I like to move fast. Let's go in. Let's do this. Y'all think I'm playing when I said really quick. Oh, y'all thought I was playing when I said really quick, huh? Y'all thought I was playing when I said really quick. Oh, shit. Damn. You not open yet? 10 o'clock? What time is it? It's 9:50.
Hey man, they don't do it till 10.
It's 9:50, brother. Dang, I'm vlogging.
They don't do it till 10. I don't know why, man.
It's 10 o'clock. Hey, my man just said 10 o'clock they open. It's 9:50. It's 9:50 right now, and I can't get in until 10 o'clock. That probably explains why there's no car here.
There's no cars and no people. They
No.
don't show up. They stand outside like this.
They'll stand outside at 10? Oh,
Stand on there like that.
I'm about to stand out there like that.
Hey, you stand like that, bro.
I'm about to stand out there like that. But no, usually people are still not here through the weekdays. You know, not a lot of people, but dang, that explains why the parking lot was super empty. 10 o'clock. I got 9 more minutes to go. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait. Right here. The color of the day is green. I don't know if you guys can see that. The color of the day is green, baby. So anything green is half off. You know? Anything green is... I'm first in line.
I can tell. I can't believe it.
I beat you. I said, I'm first in line. She said, I can tell. I can tell you first. And she walked away. Guess she don't want to talk to me. She mad. Like, this kid here done beat me, and I woke up extra early. She probably a regular. You know, she a regular. She went back in her car. She's relaxed. She went back in her car. She's like, forget this. Like, she got mad at me. All right. It's all good. How many more minutes we got? Oh my God, only a minute went past? Why when you're waiting for something, time moves so slow? I swear I just looked at the clock 5 minutes ago and it said 9:51. Now it's 9:52. All right, family, so we found one so far. She's vacuum cleaning over there, so I don't know if you guys can hear me right now, but we found one item that looks to be pretty good. If I can sell this as new, I'll make close to $100 in profit. If I could sell this as new. So we're gonna check it out. I got the box right here. Check it out. Oh, I ripped the box. Nah, I definitely cannot sell this as new. It looks a little bit worn down, but then again, the phone hasn't been used yet. Yeah, this hasn't been used. Alright, so it looks like we're gonna have to sell this one used like new. Just because, I don't know, it's a little like dusty in the inside. Yeah, just to play it safe, I'm gonna do used like new. Let's check out the profits, guys. You see, $92 for new versus $29 for used. So I'm only gonna make about a $20 profit, but you know what? I'll take it. No worries. $20 profit. Yeah, I'm gonna list this as new. I mean, used like new, just to be safe, because the main piece didn't have plastic and it was a little bit like not dirty, but I don't know. It just to be safe. So, but I'm definitely taking this today. All right. Oh, my shoelace. Oh. All right, fam. So, got one item in there. Over 100% ROI. Over 100% ROI is always good. You guys know what it was. It was the little phone. You know, I'm gonna sell it used. If I could sell it new, it would have been amazing. But used is still over 100% ROI. Throw this in the bag, throw this in the trunk, and let's roll.